Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we have a brand new 2025 Ram 2500 HD, and I'm going to teach you how to remove the front grille. Alright, first thing we want to do is take off this cover, and it's held by a bunch of push clips all around. Don't forget there's two in the back. So the way you prop these open, you just lift up on the head of the push pin, and then when the head is up, and then you can remove it. So we're going to do that for all of them. Alright, now that all the push pins are removed, we can lift up on the plastic trim, and we're going to set it aside. Next thing we're going to do is remove 10mm bolts, as well as two push pins, one on each side. Now that all the push pins and the bolts are removed from the top ground, we can just pull it forward and set it aside. Alright, so now we're going to remove 6 10mm bolts here. So now we have to remove this trim piece that goes in the middle of the headlight. Alright, so with a plastic prying tool, I'm just going to wedge it in here, and I'm going to peel it on the bottom. There you go. It's nothing but clips here. There it goes. And you want to go all the way around. And I'll show you the clips after I remove it. If you drop some of these clips, it's not broken, it's just they fell out of their spot. I'll show you exactly where they go on the inside. So let's continue with prying the top piece open. There it goes. So let me show you where those two clips go. This one's from here, and this one's from here. So here's all the clips that we removed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a total of 8 clips. And you're just trying to pry them with your fingers. So now let's do the passenger side. I'm going to pry with my prying tool, and I'm going to start prying with my fingers up from the bottom. I'm just grabbing and separating all the clips. That clip fell out, that's fine. We're going to put it back. So over here, this clip wants to come with the body that it's attached to, so I'm going to use a screwdriver, and I'm just going to separate them. There it goes. And I'm going to continue going. So now I'm going to the top. So now that this panel is off, we can reinsert the clips that fell out. They didn't break. You just have to put them back in place when you're reinstalling this panel. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 clips total. So now we have to remove this lower mustache trim piece. And I'm just going to go ahead and pry it and try to unclip it. There it is. It's also nothing but clips. So we're trying to separate the white panel from the black panel. Yeah, so slowly you're just pulling on it and prying this trim piece out. I'm just going to try to start unclipping. There it is. There's also one in the bottom. There it is. So now with both sides, I'm just kind of working my way inward and seeing what else is holding it. There it is. Alright, so now we'll remove the bottom trim piece. Alright, so some of these clips, they ended up coming off of these tabs and they're still stuck in the grill. We're going to carefully remove these and reapply them back onto this trim panel. So I'm going to go ahead and grab these with my needle nose pliers. Pull these out. After we pulled out the clip from the grill, I'm going to actually reinstall it back. Some of these teeth need to be bent back or outward to fit. There it goes. So now we're going to do with a couple more that ended up getting stuck inside the grill. So now we're going to remove these 4 10mm bolts. Now let's do the same thing on the passenger side. Perfect. Okay, so now we're getting ready to remove the grille. One thing I do want to point out is that our vehicle did not come with a camera. And if your vehicle is equipped with one, you might have another harness that you have to unclip. So now that you lift up on these tabs, the grille comes loose, but we do have one harness here on the bottom. It's this radar block. So we're going to go ahead and squeeze it and remove it. Push it, and it comes off. So now that nothing is holding the grille, we can actually remove it. And this is how you remove the grille from a 2025 and up Ram 2500 HD. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something in this video. And please stay tuned. We're going to be installing some light bars for this truck.